Hello everyone, welcome to Road to Rocket Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to multiply mixed number. Let us begin. We are simplifying the number 4 number 1 over 2 times 2 number 3 over 5. 4 is an whole number, 1 over 2 is a fraction in which 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. We are going to simplify each of the term one after the other. Step 1. We are going to be converting 4 whole number 1 over 2 into a fraction. Firstly, we are going to multiply 4 times 2. That is the whole number 4 times the denominator 2 plus 1, which is the numerator. We are going to have 4 times 2 plus 1, which is 8 plus 1, 9, divided by the denominator, which is going to give us 9 over 2. Step 2. We are going to convert the second mixed number into a fraction. We are going to multiply 2 times 5, that is the 2 which is whole number times the 5 which is the denominator plus the 3 which is the numerator. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is going to give us 10 plus 3 which is 13 divided by the denominator which is 5. Then the fraction 2 number 3 over 5 is going to give us 13 over 5. Step 3. We are going to substitute the value we got in our step 1 and step 2 into the given mixed number. That is, we are going to replace 4 whole number 1 over 2 times 2 number 3 over 5 with 9 over 2 times 13 over 5. Then we are going to multiply the two fraction. And if you want to multiply, you are going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Then the numerator is 9 times 13, which is going to give us 117, and the denominator is 2 times 5, which is going to give us 10. Then the result is going to be 117 divided by 10. Step 4. We need to convert our result fraction, which is 117 divided by 10 into mixed number. And 117 can be written as 110 plus 7 divided by 10. Then if I split the denominator, if I distribute the denominator, I'm going to have 110 divided by 10 plus 7 divided by 10. Then 110 divided by 10 is going to give me 11 plus 7 divided by 10. We cannot divide 7 with 10. We are going to be having a 0 point. Then we are going to leave the fraction. Then the number become 11 whole number 7 over 10. And that is our result, our final result for the simplification. Finally, let's try this. Do this on your own. Simplify 17 whole number 2 over 5 times 2 whole number 2 over 29. Just like what we did in our previous example. Just try it yourself. Put your answer in the comment section and let us know the level of difficulty you encounter. Either it is very easy for you, medium, or very hard. Thank you for listening. See you in our next class.